Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Hotmail app not receiving emails. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there is a few different fixes we can try. So fix number one is to go ahead and check your internet connection. So make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working. So we can open a browser and try loading a website to confirm. And now if you're using Wi-Fi data, switch over to mobile data and vice versa to see if that fixes it. Fix number two is to refresh or sync the app. So go ahead and we need to force a restart to do this. So right click or hold down the Outlook application and then go click on the eye to get in app info, scroll down and then it will say force stop. Go ahead and click on force stop and then go ahead and reopen Outlook. Now fix number three, check your junk, spam and other folders. So open up Outlook and then go to your inbox and then go and see where your junk is or spam. Your emails just might be getting filtered to those places. Now, fix number four is to go to your Player App Store, search for Outlook, and click in Outlook. If it says update, go ahead and update the app. If it doesn't, that means you got the latest version. Fix number six is to hold down your Outlook again, and then we need to get in app info, and now scroll down and go into storage. So we want to go ahead and clear cache and data. So go ahead and clear cache like so and clear data. But this will, all the application data will be deleted permanently, so keep that in mind. This all includes all files, settings, account, database, etc. So once you do that, you will need to sign back into Outlook. So when we open up Outlook, we need to go ahead and click on add account, find the account you'd like to use, and then click continue, and then sign back in. Now, if all else fails, I suggest uninstalling the application. So click uninstall, and then go to your Player App Store, reinstall Outlook, and sign back in.